Okay, so with this particular question, we are asked to express m in terms of x. And being asked to express m in terms of x means we should simply make m stand alone. And in doing that, we have to remove brackets, or we should expand all the brackets so that we have a good equation where we can group like terms and simplify. So we multiply 2 raised to the power x, or 2 power x. We multiply that with x cubed. And then minus, we have 1 over x, but we have to power it with 2x. We have to fix this there, add to the power, because it's multiplying and it comes to the top. Good. In doing that, we continue by going to the other side of the equal to sign to now expand this as well. In expanding that, we have m multiplying x squared plus m. And then we can write the other half and bring it in, because since there is no bracket with it, we just add it up. In finalizing this, we have to multiply through by the LCM. Since we have certain fractions, they want to make it the equation very linear so that we can group like terms and solve. But we have fraction. This one is a fraction. This one is a fraction as well. So we take those two denominators. We pick up the least common denominator of the two, which will be x squared. We are picking up a number that both of them can easily cancel out. So we pick up x squared. So we multiply x squared with all the terms you can find here. So let's multiply x squared with all the terms. We pick up this. And then we multiply this by x cubed, or sorry, x squared. Okay, good. So we have this. So we continue. We multiply by x. Good. And then we move on with the equation. Go to the second term. We find out that is this. We multiply that as well. With what? With x squared. We are multiplying all the terms by x squared. Then we have equal to x mx squared. We multiply that as well with x squared. So let's multiply that with x squared. We are multiplying all the terms by x squared. Good. And then plus last two terms left, m also as well multiplied by x squared. And the last term minus 1 over x squared also by x squared. Good. All right. So after doing this, what we do is that let's simplify this into one simple equation. This one, which is x 2 power x multiplying x cubed, 2 power x cubed multiplying x squared, will be simplified to become 2 power x with the power 5. So we have that power 5, because the laws of indices says that when you have the same base, we add the powers. So if we simplify that, fine. Then we come to this one as well. X cancel itself and cancel this once. So we have 2 power x. So 2 power x. So 2 power x. We have minus 2 power x. Then we have equal to m power 4, because you know the powers we add. So m power 4, m x power 4. Good. And then we're almost done. We take this one as well, m x squared. So plus, we fix that, m x squared. Then the last term minus, we cancel our 1, minus 1. And we are done. Good. Now we are trying to make m the subject, so let's group like terms. So we have this. We take that. We fix it. Let's bring this one to the other side of the equation. But when it comes to the other side of the equation, you know what happens? It becomes plus. So plus 1. And then all the other side of the equal to sign become equal to. We are going to factorize. We are going to factorize this one. In factorizing, we make m comes out. Let's simply factorize that. In factorizing, m comes out, and we have x mx into that, because that's a common one. Then we have mx all squared. Mx all squared. Good. So we have mx all squared, and then we have x squared. So to make mx power 4 for this, and then we simplify this one as well to become mx m alone. Good. So we have that side to be 1. Good. So having that as 1, we now divide the whole of this by the whole of this. And that will become, let me pick this up and then fix it here. Go to the last step. So we have the whole of this, the whole of this, the whole of this. Good. Divided by the whole of this. We pick all of that up from the m, and then we fix it here. We are dividing both sides by x squared. This we divide both sides by that, so we have that as our m. So now m become equal to that, and then we are done. We can finally as well simplify this, so that in simplifying that, it also become this. We simplify this side so that we can get 12, not 12. Good. 2 power x. We simplify that to get 2 power x bracket open. We get this and make it x, and we put x, then we open bracket, then we fix it to be power 4 because you're taking one x out, minus 2 power x. This x goes off. Good. For that side, plus 1, and this becomes the final answer. So this made x the subject in this case. That's all. Thank you very much.